we heard you're heading to the UK to your dream university in September 2023 intake. That's amazing. We're so happy for you. In that spirit, we have some last-minute packing tips for you to make sure you have a smooth flight and seamless integration into your life abroad. Our 16-pointer packing tips will help you. Here we go. Weather appropriate packing. The UK weather can be unpredictable. Pack layers including a waterproof jacket or umbrella, as rain showers are quite common. Check the weather forecast for your specific destination before packing. Universal adapter. The UK uses a unique 3-pronged electric plug, also called Type G. So make sure you have the appropriate adapters and converters for your devices. Currency. Although the UK uses the British pound, it's a good idea to carry some local currency in case for small expenses when you arrive. Travel insurance. Ensure you have valid travel insurance that covers any unexpected medical expenses, trip cancellations, and lost belongings. Medications. Bring in adequate supply of any prescription medications you may need during your trip, along with a copy of your prescription. Travel documents. Do not forget your passport, visa, flight tickets, accommodation confirmations, and any necessary travel itineraries. Make photocopies or digital copies as backups. Credit or debit cards. Notify your bank of your travel plans to prevent any issues with your cards abroad. Carry at least one backup card. Travel adapter. Consider bringing a universal travel adapter with multiple USB ports to charge your devices simultaneously. Travel-sized toiletries. Buy travel-sized toiletries or use refillable bottles to save space and comply with airline regulations on liquids. Comfortable shoes. You'll likely be doing a lot of walking, so pack comfortable, weather-appropriate shoes. Next, mobile phone. Make sure your mobile phone is unlocked or check with your service provider about international roaming options. You might also consider getting a local SIM card upon arrival. Luggage locks. Use TSA-approved locks to secure your luggage or consider luggage straps or tags to help you identify your bags. Maps and guides. Download offline maps or travel apps to navigate the city without using data. Consider a physical guidebook or printouts of important information. Next, reusable water bottle. The tap water in the UK is safe to drink, so carrying a reusable water bottle can save you money and reduce plastic waste. Next, emergency contact info. Carry a list of emergency contact numbers including your country's embassy or consulate in the UK. Local currency. Upon arrival, exchange some currency at the airport or use an ATM to get local cash for immediate expenses. When traveling to a new country, people often get anxious and mess up last minute. So use our 16-pointer last-minute packing tips list to smoothly organize your travel schedule. We hope you have a safe journey and a fantastic life abroad. Drop a like and comment what else you would like to see on our channel. Subscribe for more interesting videos, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.